Wheels, and I hope you enjoyed the last video, a little walk around to the factory there and making people's dreams come true. So yeah, I've done the passenger side wheel well, and now it's on to the rears. So gotta somehow, you can actually see in here where the inner bit was, and they've cut it out. So basically I'm gonna cut some more of that fiberboard and see if we can replace them. So that's our next project. So here we go. I'm gonna make two long pieces, 17 inches by 45 inches long, and we'll do it the same because we can curve it. Once we get it inside the well, we can then add to it. So we'll curve it, bond it in, fiberglass it in, and then we'll do extra little pieces then, because I know some of you have said, oh, why don't you use paper mache and chicken wire and all that. Well, it's extra material, extra spent, you know, money really. Something that I don't really want to be wasted on something where I can just do it really simple on a flat surface, lay it out, let it cure, and then bend it to what I want. So thanks for the tip off everybody, off the viewers, which is I love all the tips. Anything like that is great, and it's nice to see you interacting with me, and you know, I reply to every single one of you. So this is how I'm going to do it, but other people can do it other ways. I'm just showing you one way of doing everything. There's a million different ways to get the same result, and I kind of like this one. It's working for me. So thanks everybody. Let's get back to it. Two first pieces, one for either side, and we're going to leave an inch border all the way around with the resin, so we can use the flappy bit then to connect it to the body. So I'm just going to mix some glass up, resin, coming out now, it's getting a bit cold, and we just do it and then let it go off and see what we got at the end of it. So here we go. Okay, well, we're dry. Let's peel it off. I love peeling this off. Oh yeah, so satisfying. So we pull all that off. Whew. Comes off quite easy. We'll get all that off, and then we'll dive into the rear wheel wells. So we managed to get all that off, and as you can see, it's lovely and pliable. We're going to try and get that down inside here now. Should be fun. Get that in here somehow. I haven't got a clue. I'll figure it out. Okay. Okie dokie. Couple of wires in the way. Okay, we're in. We've got it in. Now, somehow we gotta make an arc with it and go from there. So yeah, it's all a bit of back and forth now, which filming that would be really crap. So I'm gonna have a back and forth, play around with it, cut it, trim it a little bit, and then see what the end result comes out like. Kind of got it in where we want it, so I'm just going to mix up a little bit, secure this side and this bit by here first, let that go off, and then we can readjust it after that. But it's coming along pretty good, quite chuffed. What I'm going to do now is make a back piece, and I've got it here ready, all drying. Got the heater on it, speed it up because it's only 4 degrees here in Wales. So just wait for that to go off. and then we can shape that and we can get that in. Okay, so we've cut that all to shape in there now, and that's ready for fiberglass in. So I'm going to make some fiberglass them in. Yeah, the back bit's in, it's fiberglassed in. It's looking really nice actually. It's got really late on me now, so we're going to have to catch you in the morning. See you then. So this is one of the rears done. That's that. Looks pretty good. I'm really chuffed with that. It's come out really good. So that'll be it for this video. And I'd just like to say a few things because people on the forum are again confused because they haven't followed the story that we've all been on so far. So if you're new to the channel and you've just tuned in and you see some of the Prova adverts and stuff like that in the channel, when I first started, they did originally come to me and ask me to build them cars, which I was really grateful for, and that was going to be the future. And then we come to a disagreement on a couple of things, so we parted ways, and now things have happened a lot, and now obviously it's Spooners Outings with JD Customs, so that's where we are now. So I'd just like to say that, and we are on Facebook if you haven't noticed already, so go on there, say hello, and we'll gladly say hello back and see if you need anything or anything like that. So further ado, that's another video down, another wheel well down, so I've got to do the driver's side now. And love you all, welcome to all the new subscribers, and I shall catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.